Good morning, Year 2C. So for today in maths, we are going to compare the mass of different objects. So seeing which is heavier and which is lighter. Okay? Now you can see here, I have weighed 3 objects in my home. I've weighed a book, and it weighed 720 grams, a glass, so a glass for juice, 220 grams, and a pencil, which was only 14 grams. Okay? So we're going to use our greater than and less than symbols, which are the crocodiles. Okay? We all love these. So, let's compare the objects and their mass. Now, let's take the pencil. If I write here 14 grams, and shall I pick the book? I'll put it here next to it, 720 grams. Now, which number is going to be eaten by the crocodile? So which is the greatest? Yes, it's the book. So I'm going to eat the book. Let's have another example. Let's take the glass, 220 grams. Okay? And shall we take the pencil again? 14 grams, wasn't it? There we go. So which one is the lightest? 14 grams a pencil. So I'm going to eat the heaviest, which is the glass. There we go. See how my crocodile is eating the heavier object? Greater than. Let's have one more example. Let's go for the book, 720 grams, and the glass, again, 220 grams. Here we go. Ooh, which one's heavier here? Correct, it's the book. So my crocodile is going to eat the book. So, looking at what I've just written here, which do you think is a heavier object? And it also helps to look at our place value knowledge as well. Okay? So this is in the hundreds, the book and the glass, isn't it? So it's between these two. It's the book. The book is 720 grams, so it's the heaviest out of all 3. And the pencil, at only 14 grams, is the lightest. So we've made one step with our symbols. I'll just rub this off, and we're going to write a couple of sentences with the words, the vocabulary we used yesterday. So, let's write a nice sentence. The book is the, can you finish it for me? Heaviest. Heaviest. There we go. And which is the lightest? The pencil. So here's another sentence. The pencil is the lightest. Okay? So we've just said which is the heaviest and lightest objects. Now let's compare a little bit more. We've already talked through it, so it's just about writing it down. Here's my last example for you. The pencil is lighter, a great comparing word, than, well, it's lighter than both, isn't it? Let's go for book, lighter than the book. Okay? So we've used another comparing word, which is lighter. And my last example is the glass is heavier than the pencil, isn't it? It's not heavier than the book. That's the heaviest. There we go. So I've used my vocabulary, which is heaviest, lightest, and then heavier and lighter. And I've also used my crocodiles, okay? So I hope you enjoy getting out your scales and having a go at weighing different objects around the house, and then using your crocodiles and using this vocabulary in your sentences, okay? Try not to weigh the TV, for example, okay? Let's go for a pillow or even a pen instead. Right, I hope you enjoy, and I'm on Edmodo to help you.